Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. We got a car on the dyno today. This is a 2015 Mustang GT and it belongs to one of our great employees, Tyler D. He's a quality assurance associate for us and does an outstanding job. Now, modifications on his car, we're gonna start at the top here. We got a JLT cold air intake, Gen 3 intake manifold, Corsa 1 7/8 inch long tube headers, Corsa catback, 47-pound injectors. We got a Lund tune. It's on E85 fuel. We got a built MT82, so the pool is gonna be made in 5th gear, which will give us that 1-to-1 ratio. It does have 331 rear gears out back, and it is on a set of our SVE R355 wheels, and that is a 19-inch diameter. Now let's get to the good stuff. Tyler is running a 150-shot Nitrous Express plate system. He's also got a booster pump on this thing, so we're gonna turn it up. It's gonna get a little radical in here. It's gonna get a little loud with the Corsa exhaust. So we're gonna make a trip around the car, make sure we're good to go, make sure the bottle's hot, and we're gonna send it. All right, everybody, we got some good numbers for you. Tyler D's Nitrous fed 2015 Mustang GT made 536 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. And oh, the joys of nitrous, 572 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 RPM. Needless to say, this thing is an absolute animal. Tyler drives he drives it, let's just say that. So we can't thank him enough for letting us dyno his car. And you guys know what to do for more dyno videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And until next time, you know what to do. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.